Welcome to my blockchain and Web3 development series. Today we are going to learn about how we can read and send Ethereum coins from one wallet to another wallet. The following points we will be covered in this exercise. The very first thing that we need is to have a MetaMask extension enabled in our web browser. We will enable Sepolia test network in our MetaMask platform. We will create our chain identity on apps.ens.domains. We can check our transaction on Etherscan. We will connect our super chain to get some free Ethereum Sepolia for development. We will create a checkbalance.html that is our decentralized app. It will be just a single page, and then we will create a JavaScript to check the balance in our wallet. In our previous videos, I have configured the white for hosting over the app. In this exercise, we will be using the same hosting platform to see our transaction. Let's move towards our exercise to perform it practically. The very first step you will do to install the extension of MetaMask platform. Go to MetaMask extension and you will see in the very first link there is a MetaMask Chrome web store. Just click on it and it will ask you to install that extension in your web browser. Add to Chrome. After adding that, you can see this extension in your bookmark area. Just click on extension icon, so you will be see the MetaMask extension in your browser. You can click on this and then create an account. After creating an account or creating a wallet in this, you will enable it for your test network. So let's create that. So in this way you will see your MetaMask platform wallet over here. You can add more accounts in this and you will see the account details. You can see the settings, sports, snaps, networks. Your extension has been enabled. You can see this platform on the developer web application as well. Just click on the discover. You will be redirected to the portfolio of MetaMask. Here we are. So there will be an address of our account, so you can just copy it to clipboard. And there are some tokens. You can see we have some tokens. We have Ethereum tokens, we have Linea tokens like this. We will also have NFTs, DEFIs. You can also see the transaction history over here as well. Basically we are learning the stuff at the development side. The next step, we need to enable the test network for development purposes. So what you have to do for that, just go to your extension, click on the three lines at the top right side. You will see setting and go to advanced setting, scroll down. Here you will see show test network. You just need to toggle it to on and it will enable the test networks for us, in which you can see different test networks like Sepolia test. We will have other as well. I can show you right now. Just go to your networks and you can see we have additional networks and we have show test network as well. We have Sepolia, we have Linea, and we have Mega testnet as well. You can add your custom network here. Next thing that you have to configure is, definitely we need some test balance as well. Currently we have 0 balance in our Ethereum coin. Let's get some test balance from somewhere. For development purposes, you need to go superchain dev console, and in that we will get some facets for our development purposes. we will go to super chain facets. Just click on it. Here you need to copy your address of the wallet. Go to your MetaMask dashboard, copy the address of your wallet and paste it over here in the address bar and click claim. So it will give you 0.05 Ethereum in your account for testing purposes. Next things that we have to do is we need a chain identity. For chain identity, you need to go apps.ens.domains. Here you will create your chain ID through apps.ens.domains. When you will visit this site, it will ask you to log in to your MetaMask account. Whenever you will log in, it will give you an identity like I get Sean.eth. So this is my chain identity that will be used to make some transaction or for validations that we are making some real transactions. So your address will be here and you can see at the top right side. So this address is my wallet address. You can see the same address in your MetaMask portfolio here. The address will always start from 0x. It is a hex address that will be visible in replacement of your name or identity. The next thing is Etherscan. That is basically another platform where you can see your blocks, you can see your transactions, and you can see your block transaction history. For that, just copy your wallet address and paste it over here. Click enter. Here the balance is 0, but you will have some balance if it's a real account, or you can buy for that for your test purposes. As we have some test balance available in our test network, we will be using that for our transactions. Now let's start over creating the app. I assume you know the basics HTML and JavaScript. If you don't know, you need to learn that before coming to Web3 and blockchain development. I will just copy and paste the code that I have already written. We will just discuss what the code does and example how the flow works. You need to create a project like this. We already have installed White in it in our first video lecture. You just need to use the same for further development. We will create an index over here, index.html. I will paste the code here like this. This is my HTML. What it does, it has some styling. You can customize this. It reads and sends Ethereum for our test network Sepolia, and we have a body. There is a heading, there is a paragraph. I am assuming to be the chain ID 1115551, and here I will first of all read my chain address, my chain ID, my wallet address, and the balance in that. And then there will be a switch or add Sepolia button. We will have a refresh balance button as well. Second, we will read the balance of my address. I will just put my address over here and I will put my address over here, and there will be a check balance button that will bring the balance of my wallet. And then I have another section to send Ethereum to a recipient account or recipient address. For that, you need to create another wallet, and you can send the balance from your current wallet to another wallet. Second, you need a JavaScript. I will create a JavaScript file over here. I will put my JavaScript code in this. So here is my JavaScript to send balance. I will also create another JavaScript to check balance. We will create check balance.js. So I have pasted my code in check balance and send balance JavaScript. Let's run this. So just visit this site and you can see a simple decentralized app that I have. You need to connect your MetaMask platform, so just click on this. So it has been connected. You can see this is my wallet address, this is the chain ID, and I have 0.0001 Ethereum balance. Now we can read the balance, like just copy this address, put it here and check balance. So you can see here, you can see the check balance, and you need to send to a recipient address. So I will show you. I have created another account here, so you can send this balance to this wallet. So I have selected the account 2. I will copy this address and put it over here. How much Ethereum coin I have to send, I will put it over here. I will send a relatively small amount of Ethereum. Write the amount and then click send. It will ask for confirmation from MetaMask extension. So we will click on confirm to give a confirmation for the balance transfer. You can see the balance has been transferred from our current address to the one that we selected for our recipient wallet or account. We can check the balance. Just click on check balance and you can see this is my remaining balance that I have in my current wallet. At the bottom you can see there are logs, there is connected, and then we have this chain ID. This chain ID has the wallet address. Let's check the wallet. So click on the other wallet, connect this, and the second wallet has been connected. You can see our page has been refreshed as well. We can connect and check the balance of this wallet. So just connect the MetaMask. This is the address, copy and paste it into the read balance or any address. So this is the balance in our wallet too. So in this way we can read and send Ethereum balance from one wallet to another wallet using our JavaScript and DApp. If you have any question, you can drop a message in comment section, or you can send me a direct email. I can guide you in that. Please keep practicing. Thank you.